my favorite Algebra 2 class. Happy Easter from me and Otis, and Andrew is behind the camera. I hope you guys are having a good time at home. I know it stinks not coming to school and seeing your friends, but I'm enjoying this extra family time that I didn't think I was going to get, so I hope you guys are doing the same, but I miss you like crazy. Alright, I wanted to go over some common mistakes on the 4.1 Part 1 worksheet, and I also posted an answer key on Canvas that you can look at, but this is just common errors that I noticed that maybe you wanted some explanation for. So the first one was on problems like number 5, where it was -2 to the power of x. Okay, whenever you plug in, for x you're plugging in 0, so you have -2 to the power of 0. I remember telling you guys that anything to the 0 power is 1, so 2 to the 0 power is 1, and then this negative sign out front makes it a -1. Right, for 1, -2 to the first power, is -2, and -2 to the second power is not 4. It would be if it was like this, but it's not in parentheses. So -2 squared is actually a -4. Okay, so if the negative sign is not included in parentheses, then you're not going to include it when you square it or cube it or any other exponent that you use. Alright, another one was a lot of people forgot domain and range, or even if they included it, they were getting a little confused. So domain is x values, which x values go this way, right, horizontal. So the domain is always all real numbers for these. So that one, y'all should just get a free pass. Domain is all real numbers, which is represented by this little symbol, the R with the 2 lines. And then range is the y values, vertical, up and down. So where do my y values start? They start at 0, because this is called an asymptote, where it never touches, but it gets really close. And then they go up, 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 up. So my range would be y has to be greater than 0. It's never going to equal 0. It's always going to be above it. For problems like number 9, where you have to do the shifting, some of you guys forgot to do that and you just graphed y equals 2 to the power of x and you didn't end up shifting. This would be to the left one since it's positive, and then up 3 since it's positive for the y value too. You could also, if you don't like the shifting, you could plug in 0 and 1 just like we would in any other equation. So I'm plugging in 0 for x. Alright, if you remember PEMDAS, you have to start with the exponent, so I need to do that. So 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 3. Alright, I still have an exponent, so 2 to the first power is 2, and then plus 3. Odie, what's 2 plus 3? What's 2 plus 3? Do you know? Say it's 5. Alright, so if you don't like the shifting where you just do y equals 2 to the power of x and then you shift it left 1 and up 3, then go ahead and just plug it in. Plug 0 and 1 into the first equation to figure out where they should be even after you shift. Hopefully that makes sense. I hope you guys have a great day. I don't know what else to say. Hope to see your faces soon. Bye. Email me with questions. I love you all.